Mula nang mawala ng asawa, tirahan at kabuhayan, ang waiting shed na ito sa isang subdivision sa Antipolo ang nagsilbing tulugan ni Larry. Nasa isang itim na backpack lamang ang lahat ng pag-aari niya. Pero mala MacGyver din naman ang datingan niya.
I've got a little bit of coffee that they give to me, but no way to heat water or anything. My comb, a couple of basahans. I've got my umbrella if it rains. And I've got my spoon so I can eat with. These are actually library books that I got at the library to be able to read. I've got a small container for food if I have any food. And I've got the most important things, my paperwork. And just a little bit of clothing. I've got 2 extra shirts, some extra socks and stuff, a little bit of extra soap that I can bathe with, and that's basically it.
Nakaramdam talaga ako ng sobra-sobra ng parang eager na kailangan ko siya talagang tulungan.
Church leader si Grace sa kanilang lugar sa Antipolo. Nung una niyang makita si Larry sa waiting shed, nilalagnat at tila hindi pa ito kumakain.
Magluluto lang ako kasi galing po akong palengke. Magluluto lang ako, babalikan kita, dadalhan kita ng dinner. Pagbalik ko sa kanya, nag-chill siya. Tapos, ganun, nag-chill siya. Sabi ko, why? Are you feeling sick? Sabi niya, yes, I probably have fever. Tapos nung hinipo ko siya dito, mainit siya. So kinuha ko yung mga madudumi niyang damit. Inuwi ko sa bahay. Nilabhan ko, tapos dinalhan ko siya ng bagong medyas, bagong pants, bagong damit. Tapos mula nun, kasi parang isang linggo siyang nag-fever, binibigyan ko siya ng gamot, tapos pagkain.
Sa tulong ni Grace at ng iba pang church volunteers sa lugar, kahit papaano ay nakakaligo at presentableng tingnan si Larry. Pero ang call center agent na si Ruby, na araw-araw daw nakikita si Larry sa waiting shed ng kanilang subdivision, naniniwalang hindi lang basta pagkain, tubig o pampaligo ang kailangan ni Larry. Kaya naman, tumulog na siya sa pinaniniwalaan niyang tunay na makakatulong.
Isang buwan na siya dyan sa labas eh. And yet, parang, although gustong tumulong siguro ng mga tao, pero hanggang doon na lang, pagbigay-bigay ng pagkain. Pero, short term lang yun eh. Kailangan ni Larry ng yung talagang sarili niya rin ang tutulungan niya para mabuhay siya. That's why naisip ko na ilapit sa pwedeng makatulong kay Senator Raffy Tulfo.
Nang makarating sa akin ang istorya ni Larry, ako na mismo ang nag-imbita sa kanya upang personal na makausap at maabutan ng tulong.
Hi, Larry.
Hello,
How are you?
Real good, sir.
Yeah, have a seat.
Thank you,
Pleased
sir.
to meet you.
I can't get back into the BPO companies without a cell phone and ID.
Cell phone's
Primary
very important.
ID. Yeah.
Oh, okay. How did you get here to the Philippines?
My mother was actually Filipina. I was actually born in the old Navy base in Subic. Bay.
Oh, okay. So you're half Filipino and half
Half French American.
French American. So I'll set you up with a good dental clinic that I know that will set you up with a very nice dentures. How's that?
Thank you. I'll be able to
That will
eat
make you look
correctly
good.
again. Yeah.
But anyway, first things first, like I said, I'll make sure that you'll be comfortable tonight. You'll have a nice place, room to stay and sleep. For the meantime, we have a gift for you.
Oh,
This cell phone.
thank you
Cell phone
so
was
much.
asked from you.
Yeah. That's very important getting into any type of work because everything's done online now. All your resumes online, your interviews online, all your communication is very important.
This is 50 grand.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Yeah, thank you so much, and thanks so much for the help and everything.
Para masigurong healthy si Larry, oras na makabalik na siya sa trabaho, isinama na rin namin siya sa doktor para magpa-check up.
Based sa mga results na pinakita ninyo sa amin, no, wala naman siyang hypertension or wala naman siyang high blood. Wala rin siyang diabetes o yung mataas na sugar. So, that's good to know. Okay. So, sa opinion namin, medically, clinically fit naman siya to return back to work.
Siyempre, tinupad na rin natin ang pangako nating bagong pustiso para kay Larry.
Several reasons why the patient has to have a denture. Function, pagsasalita, pagmuya, ang pagkain, at saka aesthetics. Siyempre, katulad sabi mo, kung makakahanap siyang trabaho, mas mainam na presentable siya. Pag maganda ang kanyang oral sa ngiti, kaya meron siyang business.
Ngayon, panahon na para bumalik na Antipolo si Larry. Pero, hindi na siya sa waiting shed matutulog, kundi sa isang apartment sa parehas din na subdivision.